A super short share with you at some of the Crafter's Companion products that have arrived into the online store. These are two new lines, the antique lace and also the flocked damask paper. So I want to show you because they are kind of special, very different, especially this one from any of the other paper lines that we have in stock. Now, Ciao Bella has done some flocked paper in the past, and I wish that this was Feel-O-Vision so you guys can really get a sense as to what this is. But a lot of you might be familiar with the term flocked, which is basically a velvety finish. Can you see it? It's almost like a peach fuzz type of a feel to it. Again, I wish it was Feel-O-Vision, but it is not. So Crafter's Companion has come out with this pearl flocked paper pack. You get 24 sheets, so it is very large. It's of course single-sided because you're not going to add flocking to the back side of these. And they are 12 by 12. Beautiful collection. Once again, a great way to make all of those projects just stunningly elegant and just textured. As you can see, the back paper is, hopefully you can see it, it's pearl. It's pearlized. Can you see that pearl on there? And then, of course, we have that gorgeous velvety feel to it with the flocking. So you get two of those. You get two of these. Oh, maybe you can see the pearl on this one a little bit better. You see that pearl finish, and maybe you can see the flocking on there. Oh, I think you can. I hope you can, because it is truly beautiful paper. And let's just flip through these and take a quick look. So you can see that there are a great deal of different patterns, extremely rich and elegant. Now, I love to know from you guys how many of you have ever heard or worked with flocked paper before. Have you heard the term perhaps, or did you not know what the term was or the actual texture was called? Perhaps you've even worked with it in the past. And if you have, I love to know either way. So do make sure that you leave us a comment down below because I am going to do a giveaway from this video. Once this video reaches 20 comments or more, we'll start doing giveaways. I'll leave more details at the end, so stay tuned for that. But after all those gorgeous papers, definitely make sure you score some of those from our online store. They are now in stock. And of course, it's limited quantity. So when they're gone, they're gone. But the other one also that released was the antique lace. And for that, we have a 12 by 12. We have a 6 by 6. And then we've got some rub-ons, which are really nice as well. Now, the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6, those two paper pads are exactly the same. The only difference is going to be size. They both contain 36 double-sided sheets. They both are 180 GSM. So let's take a look at the 12 by 12. Actually, you know what? We might do the 6 by 6. It might fit better on camera. Sometimes they do. Let's try it. So here is the 6 by 6. You can see all the beautiful antique lace patterns on there. I will do side A and then I'll flip over and do side B. How's that? You're getting 3 of each. And that concludes the 12 by 12, 6 by 6 antique lace collection. As you saw, it's just gorgeous. Coffee, tea stain, laces, and appliques, just beautifully elegant paper pad. Now there's also a 6 by 6 rub-on, and the 6 by 6 rub-ons are very, very unique in the sense that they are white. So it's kind of hard to show it on screen. I will have maybe some still photos that I'll insert in here on in the video so that you can get a better idea of what they look like. We can see here on the packaging a pretty good idea. It does include your rub-on stick, which is inside your pack as well. But let's take a look. As I mentioned, it's going to be a little hard for the camera or for you to be able to see this, but you can get an idea of the beautiful white lace. And again, that's going to make all the difference when you lay these on top or over your any kind of pattern paper, or even just maybe handmade paper or coffee stain. You're going to get 3 of each, so 3 of those. Wow, that is hard to see on camera, isn't it? Hopefully there you can see more details. 3 of those, 3 of these. You'll have to let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure it is difficult to see on camera, but hopefully you can see enough to just get a sense of just how incredibly beautiful and stunning these are. Okay, so those as well. And that is, of course, the gorgeous rub-ons. You have 12 pages total, so you have quite a bit of all kinds of different rub-ons that you could use from corners to doilies. And don't forget, you can cut these as you need. You can, just rub certain parts of it. So it can go a long, 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 long way. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough, the new antique lace as well as the new damask flocked papers from Crafter's Companion. Now, everything you've seen here, of course, in this video is available as of right now in our online store, so we certainly hope you'll check it out. It is saxcrafts.com or spectrumartcreations.com. I'm also leaving a coupon code in the description box, so make sure you check that out as well as some links. And talk about giveaway, because we all love a giveaway. Yes, we're going to do giveaways from most of our videos for this month, so make sure you not only leave a comment on this video after you've done watching it, but also all the other ones to increase your chances of winning. More importantly, make sure you share these videos out in your social media, because 2 things. Number 1, it helps, of course, our channel to grow, and we so appreciate that. And in return, we're going to do even more giveaways. So as soon as this video reaches 20 comments, the giveaways will start coming in. They'll just start rolling. Then on top of that, the more comments we get past 20, the more giveaways we're going to do. So it actually behooves and improves your odds of winning the more you share this out, the more folks that come and check it out and leave a comment as well. Okay, now in addition to that, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload new videos or go live. And then I'm going to leave 2 more videos here at the end for you to go ahead and click on those and check them out. And again, continue hanging out with us and enjoying some more products. I will see you there. Bye.